Hello, grade 5. Today, in our oral ESL practice, we'll try to answer some questions. The activity today is called Will You Rather? You can do this activity alone, or you can do this activity with your parents, or maybe if you have siblings, you can try this activity as well. Okay? So we are going to try to answer some questions. Let's have a look at the first example. So if I go with the first example, would you rather lose a finger or lose a toe? When you're going to answer these questions, yes, you can just say, I rather lose a finger or a toe, or I rather lose a toe. But the most important thing to know is that you have to explain everything. Just don't say, I would rather lose a finger. Yes, but why? So let's have an example. I rather lose a finger because if I lose a toe, I am a dancer and I will be unable to dance. That will be my explanation. All right. So let's start from the beginning. Would you rather lose a finger or lose a toe? Think about it. You can stop the video if you need to answer the questions. All right, next question. Would you rather be forced to play a musical instrument in public or dance in public? I think you gave an answer. We're going to continue with the next question. Would you rather become 5 years old? I mean, become 5 years older, so that means you add 5 years old. Or would you rather become 2 years younger? Next question. Would you rather be incapable of speaking or incapable of hearing? Let's have a look at the next question. Would you rather be an expert at drawing or be an expert at singing? If we continue, would you rather be capable of traveling to the past or to the future? That's a really good question. Capable of traveling to the past or to the future? Would you rather be a very fast swimmer or a very fast runner? Would you rather be a very fast swimmer or a very fast runner? This question, maybe some of you are going to like this question. Would you rather be able to control fire or water? Would you rather be able to control fire or water? Would you rather be able to control fire or water? Would you rather be able to fly or to become invisible? Next question. Would you rather become super small or super tall? And that's it for today. You can try all these different questions with your mom, your dad, or maybe you have a sister, you have a brother. So try these questions, try to answer them, and this is going to help you to speak a little bit more in English at home. So see you soon. And if you have questions, please write to me on Classcraft.